going out. This light is flickering. It's paranormal. Has to be paranormal. I'm not scared of the car's muffles that go by. But that's eerie as it's going off and on. That's moving by itself too. There's Ghost. He's moving by itself. The brass things, they're heavy enough not to move. It's like, what, 3 or 4 in the morning or 2 o'clock in the morning, so. Yeah, I don't even have the lights to look at. It's paranormal. This area stopped. Again, here I hate that because the cars keep going by and it kind of scares me because it could be at my grandma's. It's not too bad because there's a fence around it, but here there's no fence around the perimeter, so it's just one of those what the fuck deals. Like, what the fuck is wrong with, and what the hell's up with this light? I stay up all night. I really got other defenses, but this is really eerie as fuck. It's medical scissors. I was doing all that medical. Light bulb. It's flickering. Watching someone on Twitch. I think they're just doing that via this Zoc value. Light's still flickering. It's making a noise while it flickers, so it's not normal. Normally I don't have that because it would irritate me more than anything because it makes a loud noise. I don't think it'll just burst. It meets the criteria of being grade 8 certified, so there's primer there from my cousin that does painting. She's basically a painter and left primer there, so if I'm ever murdered up in this shit, she'll be the first one to be questioned. And I realized that because her fingerprints inside there. There's primer right there. So that's just a fucked up way of knowing stuff that could happen to me. I'm just signing off on YouTube.